Hello and welcome to LSR Home. Today we're going to perform a maintenance to our granite, I don't know how exactly it's called, sink. So why would you do that? I'm not going to say any marketing stuff or things like this. It's just regular maintenance and normal maintenance of the sink. So I hope that you can see it has some spots and some white-ish or whiter parts. Hope that you can see it a little bit more light, even more like this. You see, this is because of the water and because of the material of the sink. Absolutely normal. And we are going to fix this. It's not it's not forever. Again, it's no marketing here. It's just maintenance, normal maintenance for such a sink. So the first thing that we need to do, and what I've already done, because I will not bore you with that, is to clean very well the surface of the sink, and of course degrease it as much as you can and as best as you can. I've used dishwasher soap, and all of the time everything it's absolutely perfect. Of course, after you do this, you don't put your hands on it anymore at all. You don't let any water come into contact with it, and you let it dry. How long? I don't know. It depends how hot it is, the humidity, and so on and so forth. And for this maintenance, we are going to use a product. It didn't came with a sink, but we bought it afterwards from Primagran. But there are a lot of them on the market with various prices and so on and so forth. But we are going to use this because it's the same producer, or at least in theory, with the one of the sink, and it worked well, so why not? So what we need to do, so we need to use the bottle and spray the liquid as much as we can on the surface. Okay, it's not something like you pour half of a liter in one corner and you're set. No, we're going to spray everywhere as much as we can, but not as much that is going to form bubbles and run everywhere and so on and so forth. Afterwards, we are going to use a rag, microfiber rag. This is going to be one with which we are going to spread the liquid, and with another one, both of them obviously clean, with another one with which we are going to stretch everything, let's say the liquid, and make it uniform all over the surface. So let's see what is going to happen. It's no issue if it's going to go outside of the sink. It's just that area is going to be very slippery, if I might say so. Okay, so we can let it sit for, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes like this. Let me get the rags. So we have two of them, as mentioned, microfiber or carbon fiber, depending on how you want to do it. And now let's spread everything evenly, okay? It has no problem if it's going to touch the plastic or the metal or whatever. It's no problem, absolutely no issue. Okay, so with this one it's done because it's more or less full of this liquid. So you take the second one, also clean, and we are going to do one more time for the excess to go away. On the bottle it says that you can apply it twice. Frankly, I don't know why would you do that, but yeah, it is possible. And here we are with the finished product. So the margins of the sink, which are slippery now, I'm just going to clean them with alcohol hand wipe, and everything will be good. I mean, now, if you're asking me how often should I do this, I don't know. It depends how much you're using the sink, how much hardness has the water that you're using, how much grease are you using in it and stuff like this. So it's impossible for me to say each week, each 3 days, each month. It's impossible. For us, it's about each other week, so twice a month, something like this. So now just let it sit. It doesn't say anywhere that after you've done this you need to leave it, I don't know, 5 hours, 3 hours, half an hour. You can actually use it, but yeah, let's enjoy it for a few seconds at least, as being brand new, spanking clean, perfectly black. Yep. Thank you a lot for watching. Hope it helps. See you in the next one. Bye bye.